how to clear search suggestions on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Here tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Select on the option of Account Center at the top of the screen. Now as you tap on Account Center, you'll be able to see different options. So scroll down to tap on your information and permissions. Select on the option of search history over here, and as you do that, you can simply tap on clear all searches option. Tap on any of this preference regarding the timing. I'm going to select on all time and clear all searches. Now next, what you can simply do over here is to go back and tap on the search icon on the page and tap on the search bar, and you can simply search, or if you have any list of searches, you can simply clear all the searches from here as well. Next, what you can do is you can simply tap on the Instagram application again, tap on your profile icon, select on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, and scroll down to tap on the content preferences option. So let's tap on content preferences and select on reset suggested content. Tap on next, reset, and reset again. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.